Did you know mga kaibigan, to all my friends around the world, especially here in the Philippines, especially to all the country throughout the world right now, especially in ASEAN. Mr. former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte was to become a global model according to other countries, other personalities throughout the world, because he is fighting to all the evils here in the country, and also they are having or has a forwarding their visions, and there is no hesitations to be implement that kinds of roles under this country, that they could not be go to another country, especially in the US, because Duterte did not wanted to become a colonial mentality, because we are independent right now. So that's why Tatay Digong was established that they are go to either Chinese or in Russian, because this country are the good neighbors in our Philippines. So that's why they do not like for another, especially in EO, because that was not belongs to our country right now, because our country are colonized for, like for example, Spaniards. They are colonizing in our country for how many long years? It's all about 400 years. US and many others who are potentially to intrude our country, because there is a lot of Filipinos died during that colonizations. You know, we go back to the history. Even in the history, in the truthful of about the history, there is no Chinese who killed the Filipino people, or Russian itself. No Russian to kill the Filipino people, but American kill more Filipino people. Even our ancestors before, they are killed because of their colonial mentality. So that's why our former president did not like for the white, because the colonial mentality is not being exist in our country right now, because we are adapting and we are in the independent country. So that's why you need to understand, especially the Filipino people, because when the Spaniards came here, hindi sila makakaintindi sa atin. No, hindi po yung totoo na tayo po nadiskubrihan ng mga Kastila. Hindi po yung totoo. Kung tayo may nadiskubrihan nila, kung sila may nakadiskubre sa atin, bakit kumuha pa sila ng mga dato in order to understand our language? Diba? Malaking kabubuhan, malaking kasinungalingan po yun. So that's why we do not like